Good morning, students. Today we will learn another modify command. The name of this command is fillet. Fillet means when we need the round edges. Suppose we have a rectangle and we need a round edges instead of the sharp edges. So how to make these round edges, right? Or the curve on the edges, corners. As you can see, it is written on your screen that rounds and fillets the edges of the object. In this example, an arc is created that is tangent to both of the selected files, where this 1 and 2 is written in green color. You can see the lines are trimmed to the end of the arc to create a sharp corner. Instead, enter a radius of 0. Right? If you're giving radius 0, it will create a sharp edges. Now let's learn that how to use this fillet command and what is the application of this. First of all, I will draw a rectangle of length 200 and breadth 100. Breadth is 100, right? 200 length and breadth is 100, right? So this is the rectangle. Now when you will click on this icon, this is called fillet. Click on this to select it. There's a two method to select it. Number one is click on the fillet. You can see in the command box fillet command is selected, right? And the second method is simply in the command box type fillet, 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 enter, right? Your command is selected. Now you can see there are various methods: the undo, polyline, radius, trim, multiple. We will understand the application of all these options. Right, first of all, select the radius. When the radius is known, suppose the radius is 12. Click on the radius, then type 12 radius. Right, now click on this first object, second on this second line. You can see the sharp edges are converted into the curves or the round edges. Right, here are the sharp edges. So this is the method of using radius method. Again, I am repeating it. Select the fillet command, click on the radius, right? Type 12 in the command box, enter. You can choose any radius which is given in the question. So I have choose 12 for example. Then select on the first line, click on the second line. So the sharp edges converted into the round edges. I think this first method is clear. Moving to the next method, what is this trim? When you click on the trim, you will see two options, trim and no trim, right? First of all, we have used the method trim here, right? Because the sharp edges is removed and you see only this round edges. But when we need both the edges, the sharp edges and the round edges, right? Then I will click on the no trim. Click on the no trim now. Click on the radius, give radius 12, enter, right? Then click on the first line, click on the second line. Now you can see here that this edge is converted into the round edges, but the sharp edges also exist. It is not trimmed, right? So when you are selecting the no trim command, right, so you will cannot remove the sharp edges, right? Now moving to the next is the multiple, dear. Next is the multiple. What is the meaning of multiple? Now I am repeating this radius command again. When you will click on the radius and type radius 12, enter, right? When you convert this one edges into the round edges, you will leave the command automatically. You will leave the command. But when I need this 12 radius round edges on other remaining part of the rectangle, then I will select multiple. How multiple? Click on the fillet, click on the radius, type 12, enter, right? Click 12, enter. Then now click on the multiple here. click on the multiple, right? Now when you will convert this edge into the round edges, right, then you can see still our fillet command is working. This fillet command is on, right? You can use same for this one. No need to reselect this command. You can use it for all other corners, right? Now next method is the polyline method. Students, you can use this polyline method only if you have drawn this rectangle using a rectangle command. If you have drawn the rectangle using a rectangle, means a polygon command, right? This should be a polyline, means all the line segments are connected to each other when you will draw this rectangle using a polygon, right? So this is these all the line segments are connected to each other. Now you can use this polyline option in the fillet, this one polyline, right? So you will click on the radius again, give the radius 12, enter, right? Now click on the polyline, click on the poly. When you will click on the polyline, right, you can see, just click here on the one corner, all other corners are also converted into the round edges, just clicking on the one edge, right? This is the benefit of polyline, but make sure that your figure is drawn by using a polygon. Again I'm repeating, click on the fillet, click on the radius, right, 12, enter radius, right, click on the polyline. Now click here on the one corner, any one corner. You will see all other corners are also converted into the round edges, right? If you draw rectangle using the line command, suppose you have drawn this rectangle using a line command, right, here this polyline will not work, polyline will not work, right? I will show you here, draw a rectangle using a line command, right? This polyline will not work. Why this will not work? Because this is not drawn by the polygon. Click on the fillet, right, click on the radius 12, enter, click on the polyline, right? When you will click on this line here and you will click on the line, you can see here it is written that object selected is not a 2D polygon, means it is not drawn by a polygon, right? So you cannot use polyline here, right? I think it is clear. So now what is the meaning of undo? But whatever you have done in the previous steps, you can undo it, right? So you have drawn this rectangle, you can take the example of this rectangle, right? Use the fillet, radius 12, enter, right, click on this, then click on this. This is converted into the round edges, right? But when you are drawing this using a multiple method, 12, enter, click on the multiple, right, click here, then click here, right? Now if this step is wrong, you can click on the undo, directly click on the undo option, okay? So this step will be undo, okay? So previous method will be removed, right? You can again click on the undo, right, to remove the previous step. So this is the part of fillet method. I hope you have understood the application of this method. In case of any doubt, you can write in the comment box. I will definitely reply you. Thank you very much.